Welcome back, guys. In this very short lesson, what I want to do is refactor our code a little bit. Yes, we are already refactoring even though we have almost nothing. So what do I want to do? I want to set up class properties. Okay, so if you look right now, this is Babel's website, and what we want to do is actually set up this syntax. So rather than having to bind all our functions in the constructor, which looks a little messy, we're going to use this ES6 lexical syntax hack so that we have automatic binding, and we're also going to be setting properties like this in our classes so that we don't have to this.state equals this in our constructor. So for us to have that functionality, you just need to run this command. So npm install savedev babel plugin transform class properties. I'm going to paste that there, and while that's installing, I'm going to look at what we need to register this. We just need to create a .babelrc file and then copy this configuration and put it in that file. So right now that's done installing. So I'm just going to go ahead to the root of my directory and I'm going to create a babelrc file. So .babelrc. And finally, I'll just paste in that configuration, which simply is a JSON with plugins and an array transform class properties. Okay, so right now I'm just going to come to my application, and what I'm going to do is, rather than setting state like this, I'm going to have state is equal to an object where I'll have email to be a string and password to be a string like this. Okay, and I'll no longer need all of this constructor right here, so I'm just going to delete that. And right now we have Lavo Mix telling us that there was an error. So I think all we need to do is stop the server and then run Lavo Mix again. And automatically Lavo Mix is going to check out our babelrc configuration and it's going to use that. So I'm just going to run watch again. And great, Lavo Mix has understood the babelrc file and there are no more errors. So right now, using the ES6 syntax, I'm just going to have an equal to an arrow function right here, and I'll have exactly the same thing with the handle submit. So no more bindings, we're just having plain old class properties right here. And if we go ahead to our application, give it a quick refresh and then type in some data, credentials, password, and then click on login, you can see right here we still have exactly the same functionality. But look at this, this looks really clean and it actually makes a lot more sense for our understanding. So I just wanted to pop this in so that we actually have good React components. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the very next lesson where we actually continue with the application.